Hello friends, let's create a text fly-through effect. Let's get right to it. I have already put my footage on the timeline in the second video track. You see why in a second. I'm going to effects and then I drag a text plus effect. I could also go with the normal text, but I love my text plus. I put that under the footage. And now I set my composite mode of the footage to multiply, so my text shines through. Then I'm going on my text, go to title, type in summer, all in caps, make it bolder, make it bigger. And now I decide where I want my fly through effect to start. I think here will be a good point. Here I only select the text, hit Control and B, and then maybe it's a good idea to do 2 seconds. Here I make a cut in the video and in the text. I go on the second half of the video clip and put the composite mode back to normal. You will see in a second why. This makes this part of the text obsolete, so we can delete it. You can also leave it, doesn't matter actually. Then I'm going to this part of the text, go to the settings, and here I'm going to scroll down and activate dynamic zoom. Then I go to the drop-down menu in the editor, and here I choose for the dynamic zoom. What I'm doing here is I'm going and take the red box and make it small so that it fits into one of our letters here. And the green box goes to the full size of the frame, what gives us this effect. And in order to make it a little bit more dynamic, we go and change the dynamic zoom ease to ease in. So let's have a look at the entire thing in full screen. I hope you have fun with this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead and have fun with the rest of the playlist. Thanks for watching and goodbye.